Here in Sacramento, we have a new artist collective called Upcycle Pop, and it's a bunch of artists that take garbage and turn it into art. And one of the things that they have done is they went out and got a couple of Cessna airplane wings, and it's on me to make the base for them. Much like I did with the Sundial Pedestal vise a few months back, I'm going to make sundial table legs that are going to go under this airplane wing and make a real nice effect. That's today's project. I'm starting with this jet-coated steel that I found in rectangles at a pretty good price, and I had them shear it diagonally, giving me a bunch of triangles. The first thing we'll do is we'll sand off all the sharp edges. I also found a lot of diamond plate discs that I'm going to use as the bases for these sundial pedestal legs. Okay, now that I've prepped all my steel, we're going to just stand these triangles up and line them up on the diamond plates so they're all the same and all spaced the same way, and tack them in place, then weld them together. If you have these and they're loaded up with all kinds of iron dust, just a brass brush will clean that off pretty well. Okay, now that I've got all the metal prepped, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to stand it up here on this diamond plate disc, line it up with the diamonds in the plate, and hold it in place with magnets if I'm lucky. Now the angle of these magnets is not the same as the angle of the dangle. The way I'm going to have to do this is just kind of hold it in place and tack it. Once I get 5 or 6 tacks on there, it'll probably be okay, and then we can weld it. Hey, so here's the thing. This jet coat stuff, that is actually zinc. It's galvanized. You don't want to breathe that, but you don't want to breathe welding fumes of any kind anyway. So just put a fan by you, suck the fumes away. Don't breathe them in. I have got the smartest dog. Dog sees me open the valve on the gas bottle, she leaves, because she knows I'm going to be doing some welding. She also knows she's not allowed in here when I'm welding. Okay, so the MIG ain't cutting it so well. I'm going to try some stick on it and we'll see how that pans out. Once again, the microphone battery has annoyingly died on me with no outward indication. I really need to find a way around that. Anyway, what I'm doing here is measuring the pedestals to the appropriate height and cutting them all off. I have my pedestal bases. They are trimmed to the appropriate height for each wing. All that remains is to drill 10 holes in each one of these plates, then weld them onto the tops of all these pedestals. From there, we can take it over and use self-drilling sheet metal screws to attach this to the bottom of the wing. Okay, and here they are. There's one high one in each set because the plane wing is thicker at one end than it is at the other. And these are intentionally flexible so they can contour to the curved shape of the airplane wing. All that remains now is to media blast and paint them and then install them onto the underside of the airplane wings with self-drilling sheet metal screws. And to see the result of that endeavor, find me on Instagram. My name there is wildman.tech. And that's all for this week. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click up here to see my last video. Click over here to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.